Hi, and welcome to another video from the collection of Elementor tips and tricks video tutorial. In this video, you are going to learn my selection of the best 7 Elementor tips and tricks. That includes the following features of the Elementor page builder: hidden page title, vertical divider, inline text style, absolute positioning, floating social icons, gradient button, and negative margins. Please use timestamps if you'd like to jump to a specific feature. Otherwise, let's begin. To hide page title using Elementor Page Builder, choose the page in which you'd like to hide the title and click Edit with Elementor. Once in editing mode, click on Settings in the left-hand corner, and within Hide Title sections, simply choose Yes. This will remove the page title and allow the content below to take its position, at the same time allowing you to fit more content within your web page. Once completed, click Update to save changes. You can easily add the horizontal divider by using the free version of the Elementor Page Builder, while the vertical divider only available in Elementor Pro version. However, there is a way around it, and you can apply vertical divider in Elementor free version, and you will learn how to do it in the next couple of minutes. Okay, so first we are going to add few sections to which we will add our vertical divider to. Now we are going to add vertical divider in between text and picture using Elementor Page Builder. And to do it, click on Edit Column, choose Style, and expand border options. Within border type, choose the divider you'd like to apply to your website. This could be solid, double, dotted, dashed, or groove. Once chosen, this will add the border all around the chosen column. You can further customize this bordering and make them work as a divider. And to do it, within border type, width, unlink values that currently link together, decrease everything to 0, and now you can choose the bordering you'd like to apply in any part of your column. In this occasion, we are going to apply the divider on the right hand side. Go into the field to control right side of the bordering and increase width of the border. Now if you hide customization bar, you will see that the border was added only on the right hand side, at the same time creating the divider effect. By using this simple trick, you can apply the divider to any part of your column. To partially format the inline text within the same section of the Elementor Page Builder, choose the section you'd like to edit. This could be either one letter, one word, or any part of that text, and add the following CSS codes to both sides of that section.
As you can see, nothing changed yet. This code will make sure that any editing through coding applied next will only change the text within. Next, we're going to change the color of the text. After the first span in a stream of coding, type style equals quotation mark color colon, paste the code of the color you'd like your text to be changed to, semicolon, and quotation marks again. As you can see, the Elementor word only has been changed to the color we applied CSS coding to. If you're not sure how to obtain the color code, open any of your other web page in a separate tab, click Edit with Elementor, pick any sections, click Edit, Style, Text Color, pick the color you'd like to apply to your coding, copy the code of the color, and paste it into your CSS coding. The / in the second part of the span CSS coding works as a brakes to limit editing for the chosen section only. And if you were to take out that /, it would edit any available outstanding text within the section of the Elementor page builder. And if you were to restore it, it would limit back editing to the chosen section only. In the same way, through the CSS coding, you can apply many more styles to the inline text within the Elementor page builder. For example, you can change weight of the text, and style of the text. Editing text through CSS coding may appear difficult at first, but once you've done it a couple of times, it will become second nature to you, and you will be able to easily customize inline text within any part of your website. I will provide current code into this video description for you to copy and paste it into your own Elementor page builder and simply replace it with your own content. To apply absolute position, go back to your Elementor editor and add new entry to your web page. I would recommend adding new entry to the bottom of your page, and the reason for it is that if you're going to move any elements out of those sections, by adding it to the bottom of your page, you will avoid the possibility of having unnecessary gaps in between your existing sections. Add your desired element, and first I'm going to show you how to format image. Select Choose Image within the Content section and pick the image from your computer. Once completed, click Advanced tab, and within Position menu, change Default to Absolute. This will push the image out of the section and will enable you to move the image anywhere you want within your website by simply dragging and dropping that image anywhere you like within your website. If you would like to resize the image, with your mouse cursor, hover to the right of your image until you see the double-sided arrow and drag inwards to decrease size and outwards to increase it. If you would like to return the image to the default position, simply click Edit Image in the top right corner, choose Advanced tab, and within Positioning, bring it back to the default location. you will be able to apply the same adjustments to any sections that includes text entries. In addition to resizing and moving those sections around your web page, you will also be able to change content, style, and apply some additional formatting by using Advanced tab within the Elementor page builder. By using this method, you can apply the same formatting to any elements within your web page. To add floating social icon menu to your website, choose the page you'd like to add it to and click Edit with Elementor. Once in editing mode, search for Social Icon widget and drag it underneath of the header onto your page. As a default, this widget comes with 3 social networks: Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. If you'd like to add any more social platforms, click Add Item, choose relevant social network icon, let's add Instagram, and click Insert. Within the links of the widget, add your URL link to the relevant social network. Next, go to the Advanced tab and find Positioning Settings within the Editor menu. Within Positioning, change Default Setup to Custom and change Width to 50 pixel. This will manipulate the view of the icons and display them in the horizontal position. Within Position option, change Default to Fixed and change horizontal orientation to either right or left side of the page, depending on where you'd like your icons to show. Adjust vertical orientation offset to position your icons to your liking along the side of the page. Next, we're going to change background color. Expand Background menu and within Background type, choose Classic and change background color to black. Now let's go back to Style tab and change Official color to Custom. Once that's done, additional 2 options will appear: Primary color and Secondary color. Select Primary color option and drag bottom line all the way to the left to make it transparent. Here you can also change size, padding, spacing, and rows gap. Next, go back to Advanced tab and expand Border section. Unlink border radius values and change top and left values to add our social icon menu radius ended effect. Once completed, click Update to save changes. Now, if we view the page in full screen, you can see that our social menu icon stays fixed on the right hand side and allow your audience to reach out to you via your social network at any time while browsing your website. Now, before we complete this tutorial, I would recommend that you disable this widget from showing on mobile and tablet devices, as it does not look natural on a tablet or mobile, and it really designed for the desktop PC view. To disable this widget on mobile devices, within the Advanced tab, expand Responsive section and select Hide on Tablet and Mobile. Once completed, click Update. Now this additional menu will only affect the desktop view of your website. And welcome to first of many Elementor tips and tricks video tutorials. In this short video, you are going to learn how to customize and add gradient to your website action button within the Elementor page builder. Give it unique look and make it stand out on your website. This will work on both free and pro version of the Elementor. Action buttons are added to the website for various reasons, and they normally prompt website visitors to buy products or services that they may offer, explore additional information, or download content from the website. Okay, so first we're going to add button to our website. We can change the text, add external link if you want to lead your audience to the external source, choose the size of the button, add icon from icon library, and choose alignment of the button. To add gradient to the button, click Style. Here you can also choose text color and change background type to gradient. Choose colors you'd like to fade in into one another to create a gradient effect. Once colors chosen, you can increase the size of each color within the button of your website. You can change effect of the gradient, either linear or radial. If you choose linear, you can manipulate the angle of your colors within the button of your website. If you choose radial, more options will become available positioning your gradient. You can apply even further editing by clicking Box Shadow. Within Positioning sections, click Inset and modify Shadow Effect within your button. Once you're satisfied with the new look of your website button, click Update to save changes. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you did, and I will see you in my next video. To apply negative margins using Elementor Page Builder, first, choose the section you'd like to apply it to. For this first example, we're going to use this image. Click Edit Image and click Advanced tab within the Elementor Editing menu on the left-hand side of the page. If you change padding values within the Advanced tab on the Elementor Page Builder, this will allow you to modify the size of the image within the column of the Elementor section. If you unlink the padding values, this will allow you to modify the size and alignment of the image within the column of the Elementor section. If you would like to revert to the original image, link value back together and reset the values to 0. If you change margin values within the Advanced tab of the Elementor Page Builder, this will change size and the alignment of the picture, but this time it will allow the picture to overlap over any existing sections within the web page of your website. As you can see, by applying negative margins, you'll be able to change the size of any chosen object and overlap that object over any other sections within your website. If you unlink margin values, as well as changing the size and overlapping abilities, you'll be able to change the position of the object and place it anywhere within your web page simply by adjusting negative margins. You can use this technique to adjust and overlap sizes of any part of your website, as long as it's part of Elementor Page Builder. This doesn't have to be images only. It could be any section of your website that include any data. You could also use negative margins to create some cool looking visuals on your website. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you did, and I will see you in my next video.